How to download using FDM. In this video, let me show you how you can download using FDM without no internet failure. FDM is a tool that increases your file download speed and also resume downloads. Click subscribe below while I show you. Let's say you are looking for a movie on the internet to download. The results here are displayed according to what you've searched. Click on any of the web page you feel you can get what you are looking for. In my case, I already have what I want to download. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button below. This will encourage us to make more videos like this one. If you have set up FDM properly, after click on the download text, it will bring up FDM download box just like this. Here you have to choose which place you want your file to save in your computer. Mine here is showing download. That means I can see my downloaded file in the download section in my computer. You can as well change where you want your file to download to by clicking on the little folder icon, then select. In my case, I chose desktop. If you want to learn how to set up FDM, there's a link below this video. You can also change the file name. I'll prefer leaving default. Check on scheduler if you want to schedule download to any of your preferred time. But if you want your download to start right away, leave it unchecked. Now click on download. File starts downloading immediately. Here is the second method. I bet you will love this method. Open FDM. Click on the add download icon at the top. If you already copied the file link, it will paste automatically. If it doesn't, right-click and select the paste option. Click on OK. I guess I already explained everything in this section at the first method. To know how to set up FDM, check link in description. I made this video which covers how to download and set up FDM together with its extension. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below, like and share this video.